What's up, everybody? This is my 91 Suburban with the 350 5.7 liter. Just replaced the distributor, cap and rotor, and the ignition module underneath, as well as all spark plug wires have been changed. Also changed the fuel filter. Not really much difference as opposed to the way it was before. Let me go ahead and get it started so you can kind of see what goes on. Again, this just started happening after a long drive, about an hour-long drive out to the desert. And all of a sudden, once I got to the exit I needed to, it started to sputter and stall. So, I'll go ahead and get it started. See, it starts right up. It's been running for a little bit earlier, but you can kind of hear the exhaust. You can see right there where it's kind of, I don't know if you can hear that, but it kind of sounds like it's missing or it's not getting enough power. Oh, there it goes. See, at idle, it just kind of stops. It wasn't doing that beforehand. I don't know if that's because it's warmed up, but as you can see, that's a problem. That's what it does at a light. Usually does that at the, you can see now, the service engine light comes on for that. Turn it off, turn it back on. Service engine light doesn't stay on. Again, starts right back up, no problems. I don't think it's a coil. Give it RPMs, and then once that starts to drop, see, it seems to be running halfway decent. But once those RPMs drop is when everything kind of goes to shit. So let me see if I can get it put in gear and let you guys kind of see what happens. And again, it dies. So let me see what I can manage here. Sorry for the camera thing here. I'm just trying to rig something up. All right, let me go see if I can start this. So as you can see there, what I did is I put it into drive, or I put it into reverse, then I put it into neutral, then I put it into drive, and I put it back into neutral, and then back into drive. And you can just see it's like it's lacking power. It's like not getting enough fuel or enough spark. I can't tell. I think I've covered all the spark parts. I think it's just a matter of fuel. So my conclusion is it may be a fuel pump issue. I don't know if anybody else has any other suggestions, but I'm open to anything. I got to get something running here. Both cars are pretty much non-operational at this time, and I have a newborn, so I got to get that worked out. Thanks for watching. Again, you can see back there, there's the new distributor with new wires. Can't see the modules below it, but all the wires are plugged in. So yeah, thanks for watching.